Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these bird feeders. An old gravy pot. Cut the bottom out and take the lid off. Cut the lid in half. You need to get your adult to help you with this because of the scissors. Choose some coloured card or foam like I've done. Roll your tub on it and secure it with some PVA. Put your lid on like that and secure that with some PVA. And do your other side of the lid on the other end. When it's all dried, get some string and put some string through so that you can hang it in the tree, and then you can put your bird seed in it. I hope you have fun doing this activity. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.